Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In this video, I'll show you how to add an account on Snapchat without logging out, step by step. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Step 1. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Step 2. Next, tap on your user icon or Bitmoji in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. Now, tap on the settings cog in the top right corner. This will open the settings menu where you can manage your account. Step 4. Scroll down to the bottom of the settings menu and tap on Log Out. Step 5. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Log Out again to continue. Step 6. Once you are on the login screen, tap on Switch Account in the bottom right corner. Step 7. Now enter the login details of your second Snapchat account and tap Login. And that's it. You can now easily switch between accounts without having to log out completely each time. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.